So this is going to be a quick review of the Phantom Hex gaming controller. It's a good controller, connects quite quickly to my PlayStation. I love the back buttons are great. The build quality is, it's a little squeaky, if that makes sense. Like the pieces don't fit as flush as the regular PlayStation controller. Sorry, mine's a little dirty, but if you listen, there's no creaking, but this one, everything kind of creaks on it. Like, I don't know. It just doesn't feel as well made as I thought it would be, but it still is an amazing controller. It does need to be calibrated, because as soon as I got it, my right joystick was just a little off. But after I calibrated it, it was amazing. I do highly recommend, but I do wish the quality control was a little bit better. Thank you for listening.
Yeah.